Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hadi Ektem from Hadi Ektem Dev YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create a Python script to detect hands and display it. It's beautiful and you can see it fun and you can use it in different projects. We will install Opencv and MediaPipe library. So if you have installed Python on your PC, you must have pip. So open your terminal in Linux or CMD in Windows and type these commands. Pip install opencv-python. I already have installed the Opencv Python, but if you have not, it will take a while. Then you need to install MediaPipe. Pip install MediaPipe. Okay, it's again installed and it will take a while on your system. So let's go to our code. Create a Python file and open it. Now we need to import our libraries using these commands. Import cv2 and import MediaPipe as mp. Okay. Then we need to create our video object. So let's create a cap and initialize it with cv2.videoCapture. If you are using a webcam, you can put 0 or 1 values, but if you are using a video file, so give the pass for it. So here I have a video file. In this path I click on it, then click on copy path and copy this, then paste it here. Okay. Now we need to initialize some variables like mp hands and mp draw. So like this, mp hands equals mp dot solutions dot hands. Then we need to create a hands object using hands equals mp hands dot hands. Now we will write mp draw equals mp dot solutions dot drawing utils. Okay, now we have initialized our variables. Now it's time to make a loop to read. Now it's time to make a loop to read our video frame by frame. We will write while true and we will get the images from cap. So write success and img equals cap dot read. Then we have to convert it to RGB value. img RGB equals cv2 dot cvt color and our image, then cv2 dot color bgr to RGB. Okay, now we have to process on our image, so we must do it like this. Result equals hands dot process img RGB. Okay, now we process our image and it's in this result. So we have to get the marks from these results. So we will write marks equals results dot multi hand landmarks. Then we must check if we have detected hands or not. So we must write if and if marks. If our marks is known, it will not run and pass from here. Then we must create a for loop for each of hands, and we will write this for hand LLS in marks. And now we just need to draw in our image mp draw dot draw landmarks on img, then our landmarks and mp hands, we initialize it dot hand connections. Okay, now one step left is that just displaying the image. So we just use cv2.imshow function. So we will write cv2.imshow the result and our image. Then we have to wait after a frame. So write cv2.wait k1. Now let's test our project. So as you can see, it's detecting the hands and it's working well, but it's a little bit slow because it's using the CPU, and if you prefer to use CPU, it's faster, and I may upload another video about how to do it with CPU or graphic cards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more contents. If you have any questions, any problems, share me in the comments and I may answer soon.